Back up on Morfee. See, it's a bit different. We're getting a lot of snow. It's pretty awesome. Check it out. So yeah, this is clouds, not fog, and we are up in the clouds. This is awesome. See the truck there. It's a little sketch though, because the road is kind of hard to see sometimes because of the snow buildup and you can't see the ditch. Thankfully these markers are here now, so I should be able to see those. I'm not gonna go to the second tower probably, but yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, I'm not gonna go up. I managed to get turned around here. Sketchy. I was starting to slide. I don't have chains and I'm not aired down, so it just gets worse from here. So this would just be stupid to keep going, but you know, I don't want to tumble down that. I mean, I guess I wouldn't go far because of the trees, but there's no trees, just straight cliff as you can see from the other videos, and I don't want to mess with that. So yeah, we're just gonna go back down to that clearing where I took the first video, and yeah, see, I just slipped. And just hang out there for a bit. we are back at the truck. It's getting a little chilly on the old phalanges there, but got some souvenirs from the top of Morfee Mountain. Yeah, fire still wants to go. Yeah, this is really cool just being up here in this. That's where the radio towers are. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I earned your subscription. For everyone that is subscribed, thank you so much. And we'll catch you on the next one.